Hello my friends, welcome to Forex VKS. Today is April the 9th, today is Saturday. So this Forex forecast is for next week 11 until 15th of April. So let's check out the quick disclaimer before we dive into the news and the chart for the whole week.
Disclaimer: be advised that I am not a professional financial consultant or advisor. I am sharing this information for education purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information contained on this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video.
Okay, let's check out the news first. So this whole week we saw that we heard that this FOMC, right, is quite bullish. Okay, they say they are going to probably increase the interest rate during May, probably towards 0.5%. So that scared the market quite a bit. So you see the equity market, right? The stock market, right? Suddenly big drop, right? In the US, so created some fear in the market. This is good, of course, it's good for the USD, right? So we also see that the cash rate, okay, Australia cash rate remained the same, 0.10%, okay, which is a bit bullish for them. And we also got US services PMI actually went up but below expectation. So we got a Canada PMI above expectation. US unemployment claim slightly better than expected. And employment change for Canada drop drop quite a lot. Unemployment rate is slightly better, so this is a bit pros and cons for the Canadian dollar. So there is not too big of a volatility here, except for this one, for the FOMC. Okay, FOMC meeting. That is good for USD. And the cash rate, of course, the AUD cash rate. Let's look at next week. So Sunday we got a French presidential election. Monday we got BOJ government Corona speak. Maybe this one, if you're trading the JPY, just watch out. Euro Tuesday not much. We have the CPI number, or this one we need to check out. Okay, the CPI numbers they expect higher CPI numbers. So if the numbers continue to be high, right, so will be positive for the USD. So other than that, we got New Zealand cash rate coming in. So they expect an increase in cash rate. Okay, so this is if the report, okay, if the actual result comes out meet the expectation, so will be good for A and NZD. Okay, an increase of cash interest rate is always good for the currency. Then we got CPI numbers for Britain. Okay, this one watch out. They expect a higher number. Then US we got PPI. This one just take note. Okay, PPI numbers just take note. On Wednesday, this is all Wednesday. And also we got overnight rate on CAD also. Okay, also expect to increase from 0.5 to 1.0. So this is also bullish for this, probably bullish for the CAD. Okay, so watch out. Big day Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday is a big day, so watch out. And Thursday also quite a big day. We got employment change and employment rate for AUD. Okay, we got Euro refinancing rate. So next week will be a very volatile week. Okay. We got ECB press conference for Euro. Then we got retail sales for USD. So this one, okay, so Wednesday and Thursday will be quite volatile. And Friday will be holiday, okay, holiday for New Zealand, Australia, Swiss franc, Britain, CAD, Canada, and Euro, not US. Okay, so Friday will be a quiet day. So watch out Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, a lot of data coming in. Tuesday also got data for the USD. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so Monday probably market will not move too much. So starting from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the market will be on fire probably, right? Okay, let's check out the currency. Let's check out the currency by itself. So USD is strong, okay. USD is on this uptrend, okay. USD is on this uptrend channel. So USD is strong, but now they have a rejection over here. Probably we have a drop. In the long term, USD will be strong, but probably there will be a drop first, okay, a correction before it goes up. Long term is strong, but short term probably a drop. Euro long term is weak. Okay, long term is weak, but probably there is a correction. Probably short term there is a correction here. There's a push up over here. Okay, for short term. Pound long term also is weak, but maybe we got a double bottom here, so there is a possible reversal over here. So now, because next week is very volatile, right? So most of the currency now is in the junction. Okay, they can go either way. Okay, look like Swiss franc also we got a pin bar over here, right? Long term Swiss franc is still weak. Okay, so Swiss franc is on this downtrend channel, but okay, we might have a short term rebound over here. Japanese yen is very weak, still continue to be weak. Canadian dollar is a bit sideways. Okay, neutral. We got neutral here, but we got a few pin bar over here, but I still label neutral. Aussie dollar is also strong. Okay, but having a correction. Okay, now New Zealand dollar is so strong, having a correction. Okay, if it breaks out from this channel, right, probably it will turn to be weak. Okay, we have to wait and see what happens here, whether it can hold or not here, this area. Okay, whether it can hold this area or not. 0.68130. Okay, if it breaks below, then possible, okay, New Zealand dollar could be weak. So for now, okay, the long term currency, strong currency, DXY, AUD, and NZD is still the long term strong currency. But during next week, there could be a turnaround, a short term turnaround, okay, for these currencies, for all the other currencies. So look at Euro USD. Look at weekly. Okay, weekly is bearish. So we got a pin bar, then we got confirmation. Okay, so the weekly we are bearish, so we continue want to sell this. So any pullback, okay, the price already hit. We open a sell trade over here, right? So already hit target, multiple target. So this one wait for a retracement, okay, towards this area for buyer, okay. 1.11221 and 1.09713. Okay, notice now I got these bold lines. Okay, these are the normal support resistance line. Now I got support resistance line in bold. Okay, means a wider line. Okay, darker line. These are the weekly support resistance area. Okay, weekly area. Okay, these are the daily areas. This weekly area will be more important than the daily. So watch out. Okay, so these are the weekly levels that I marked. Okay, weekly turnaround levels. So do take note. Okay, pound USD. Look at the weekly. Okay, weekly we are still bearish, but it reached the weekly level. Okay, it reached the weekly support resistance level. Okay, but probably we are still bearish on this. Okay, so any rebound, so probably there will be a rebound over here. So any rebound, okay, we will look for buy. Okay, at this area, possible 1.317. Okay, 1.317 31742 or even probably lower here. 1.32864. Okay, we are still looking to sell. USD JPY. Look at the weekly. Okay, weekly we got a pin buy here. Okay, we got a pin buy here, but there's still a retracement. This pin bar. So in the long term, probably I will look for long term. Probably I will label it as weak because of this pin bar. Okay, so for sell. So this one probably it will make a double top over here. Okay, most likely will make a double top over here. Then probably the price might correct down. So this one, for now, there is a sell buy opportunity over here. I highlighted whether you got executed the trade or not. But now this one, I think wait for a deeper reversal, then only execute any trade. Okay, wait for a deeper pullback. AUD USD. So AUD USD, look at the weekly. Okay, wow, what a long pin bar over here. Okay, we got a very long pin bar over here. So this is weekly looks bearish to me. Okay, look at the daily. So wait for the price further retracement. Okay, further retracement before we go for a buy trade. Okay, probably wait for it to come to this one. 0.73. Do we want to open a buy trade? Possible. You can open a short-term buy trade if you want. Short-term buy trade. Okay, short-term buy trade if you want. We got a pin bar over here. Let me see the 1 hour. This is not a very strong pin bar, so I wouldn't buy into this. Okay, I wouldn't buy into this trade probably. Okay, if you really want to take a chance, okay, for this one you have to wait for a break of this one. Okay, if you want to take a chance, you have to wait for the break of this candle. Okay, break of here. Okay, break of the nose of this candle. Probably that if you want to take a trade, probably this level 0.7493, a buy trade towards this area. 0.75616. There's possible a buy trade over here if you want to go for a buy trade. Okay, but the long-term trade is down. So don't keep the trade open too long. Okay, just a short-term trade. This is a possible trade over here. New Zealand USD, big drop over here. So we want to see, okay, whether the price will rebound at this area or not. Okay, 0.68168. Okay, if the price do rebound from this area, then there is a possible buy trade over here. So long term, this is still a downtrend. Okay, long term, this is still a downtrend. So this one, okay, if the price breaks below this one, break below this buyer's line, we will go for short. Okay, once the price break below 0.68090, we will go for short. Okay. So these are the levels, buy and sell levels. Okay, these are buy and sell levels. Yeah, okay. We got a big pin bar, not a big pin bar, a tail bar over here, but still a bit bearish. Okay, The sentiment look a bit bearish over here. A bit bearish. Okay, look a bit bearish to me. Okay, USDCAD. Look at the weekly. Okay, USDCAD look a slightly bullish. Okay, so looks slightly bullish, but it's not very bullish. Okay, so there is a possible sell trade over here. You want to go for a sell. So this is a weekly level. Okay, so the price is okay. The price rejected from the weekly level. So this one there is a possible sell trade if you want. Okay, but if you want to sell, make sure the price need to go below here, the nose of this tail bar. Tail bar normally we don't take. Okay, don't just simply take the tail bar on what you call it after a close of the tail bar. Okay, we want the momentum to go through the tail bar. Okay, unless a pin bar, then we can straight away take the trade. But this one probably want to wait for the price to drop. Okay, below the nose of the pin bar. Okay, below the nose of the bar, then only probably want to take a sell trade. Yes, this Swiss franc, we got a pin bar over here. We got a weekly levels, rejection of the weekly levels. Okay, so this one possible sell trade. There's a possible sell trade from here to here. Okay, for this for aggressive trader. Okay, aggressive trader only. So look at the trend. Okay, the trend is still uptrend. So we still prefer to buy. Okay, aggressive trader, because we got a weekly rejection of the weekly level, there is a possible sell trade here, but this is for aggressive trader. Okay, for conventional trader, better wait for the price to come down. Okay, come to this area, look for buyer. We are looking for US dollar strength, but do note that US dollar, okay, have a pin bar over here, so there is a possible a drop before it goes up. So during this drop, right, this setup, okay, might turn, okay, can be executed, probably can be executed, but in a very short term manner. Euro AUD price is retesting this level. Okay, these are a long-term level, right? So this one, we got the inside, we got a bar here. Okay, so this one, we have to wait and see what happened here. So we got a winning trade over here, a sell trade, a winning trade over here. Look at the weekly first. Okay, weekly we got a rejection pin bar over here. So probably, okay, weekly has turned bullish. Okay, weekly has turned bullish. So this one, wait for deeper retracement. Okay, wait for deeper retracement before you want to go for any buy trade, any sell trade. If we get another big pin bar, there is a possibility can sell from here, but most likely I think the price will come back to this area 1.48181 or even slightly higher to this level for a sell trade. Okay, 1.49567. Euro, okay, EuroCAD, we got another tail bar over here, so the price also retesting this low over here, right? Okay, so this one probably the price will continue go down after this pin bar. Possible will continue go down. So there is a possible to trade these two. Okay, only after a close of this pin bar. Okay, after a close below this pin bar, maybe there is a possible trade over here. Okay, a possible sell trade over here. If we close below this, probably it means that this level being rejected. Okay, being rejected, so there is a possible sell trade over here. You need to close below this, okay, this bar. Similar to this one, okay, similar to this one, you need to close below this bar. So maybe there is a possible sell trade over here. Okay, you need to close below this candle. Okay, 1.36546. We want the momentum to be on our side, okay, before we execute a tail bar. Okay, tail bar is not pin bar. Pin bar normally you can just take direct after the pin bar close or wait for further retracement, but tail bar different. Okay, so we got multiple tail bar here. So the price is rejected at 1.01974. So a strong rejection over here, probably this one. If the price break through this area, right, break through this consolidation area, maybe you can execute a sell trade over here. Okay, probably there is a possible sell trade over here, Euro Swiss franc. Okay, but after only we want the price to go through this area. Remember, right? This tail bar, right? We want a breakout. Okay, we don't want to take the tail bar direct after the close. So the target will be here 1.00171. Let's check out the weekly. Did we miss the weekly? Okay, weekly is still bearish. Pin bar, then after that a bearish confirmation bar. So it's still bearish. Okay. Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY. This is nothing much to talk about. Okay, a sideways price action. So, yeah, you see, inside bar. Kind of like a dodgy. So this one, there's no trade here. I don't see any trade here. This one probably wait for a further pullback. Okay, further pullback towards this 132 area, then only possible execute any trade. Euro pound look a bit sideways. Yeah, okay, sideways, very sideways. This one probably I will not trade this one. Okay, very sideways. So this one leave it first. Britain pound. Okay, we got a pin bar. Okay, the price goes up a bit, so this is still bearish for me. Okay, so this one probably will come up here, create something like a double top kind of thing, then probably it will drop. Probably we want to wait for the drop first. Okay, wait for the drop before go for any buy trade. Okay, go for any buy trade, wait for a drop. Pound Swiss franc. Pound Swiss franc look like double top here. Okay, we got bearish. So this one weekly still look a bit bearish to me. Okay, because when many wick on the top. So weekly is still bearish for me. So this one, let me see. This one price is at no man's land. So probably there's nothing to execute over here. It's not at a support resistance level, so it's almost at no man's land. Maybe there's a level over here. Okay. So if we do have a pin bar, maybe we want to sell. Okay. If we get a bearish price action over here at 1.22180, probably we want to sell. Look for AUD JPY. AUD JPY are very much extended, very extended. We got pin bar here, inside pin bar. So this one probably looks a bit bearish to me. Okay, this one looks like a double top. Probably wait for a retracement back to 90.29 or 88.89 or even lower. Okay, even lower. For a buy trade, Okay, wait for a usdcad. Oh, usdcad. Look at that. We got a big pin bar over here. Big rejection of the top. Okay, a big rejection of this area. Okay, but the price already broke out from this channel, so this is bullish. So wait for a bullish signal at this area. Okay, these three areas for buy trade. 0.92353, 0.93079, or 0.93804. Okay, look for buy trade. Look for a deeper retracement first before go for any buy trade. Go finally went up, okay, go finally went up. So go, we got a tail bar over here, so looks slightly bullish, but still quite neutral to me. So this one, right, okay, we executed a buy trade over here, so the price slowly go up, continue to hold, okay, towards this 1966 target. Look at oil, crude oil. Crude oil, we got a dodgy over here, so there's no direction. So this one probably, there is a probably, we want to look for buy opportunity. Okay, so this one probably there is a buy opportunity soon. Okay, we got consolidation here, a break above the consolidation. Maybe there is a buy trade over here. So do watch this one. Okay, do watch this one. Okay, watch this level. If it goes through and your method, your trading signal, okay, your signal, your chart give you a buy signal over here, then possible. Okay, your trading method give you a buy signal over here. So there's a possible buy trade over here. Because remember oil, right? We were waiting for a pullback towards these two areas, 95 and 89. Okay, these two areas for a buy opportunity. SPI, we got a double bottom, possible looks like double bottom. So looks like SPI is going up, Okay, looks like SPI is going up. So there is a possible buy trade over here, the 2 pin bar over here, right? So there is a possible buy trade over here towards 7553 or 7634. Okay, so there is a possible buy trade over here. DAX. Okay, DAX a bit bearish. Okay, a bit bearish. DAX is bearish. Looks bearish to me. Look at the weekly. Yeah, we got a big pin bar over here. So DAX is bearish. Okay, so their price is consolidating at this area, right? So if we got a breakout from here, okay, a breakout from here, possible there's a sell trade 14035. Okay, a break below here, it's possible there's a sell trade towards 13608, this area. Nasdaq, look at the weekly. Okay, pin bar and big confirmation bar. So Nasdaq is bearish. Okay, so wait for any bearish price action this area, or even 1487971 and 14366. Okay, a rejection at this area, look for sell. Okay, look for sell opportunity. S&P, yeah, another bearish candle with a confirmation, right? Bearish candle with confirmation. So we are looking to sell this. Okay, price, if the price, okay, possible, okay, a sell, if your trading method generate a sell signal at 4480, possible the sell trade, or price might go back slightly higher at 4588. Okay, you generate a sell trade over here, possible you want to look for sell. Okay, so the long term is sell. So okay, so just tell you a little bit of story. Last week, right, I actually checked out, not last week, I think 2 weeks, 3 weeks back, right? So I heard a lot of people talking about copy trade, all these copy trade function. You join certain broker, right? You got this copy trade function. Wow, you go in and check out these people, right? Make 300-400%, right? Profit, right? So those few 100% profit, right? Then I dive in to check their trading, right? Those are all scalper. Okay, so they just went in when they have when the market is moving their way, right? Okay, they quickly open a lot of scalping trade. Okay, once they hit the scalping trade, right, those losses they are still open. They have a method to make the report mix like very good, 300, 400, 500,000% profit, So after I check deeply, I check in a little bit more, right? Actually, right, they have a way that they hide their losing trade, so they only open and take profit on the winners. Okay, so when they show you the numbers, right, they are showing you all the short-term winners that they generate maybe in a few days time, right, during the market. Let's say we have having a short-term bullish market, right, so they just generate from there, they generate the result, so they want to sell you that give you the copy trade, right? But when I don't see their method, right, or their method or how they trade, right, long term they can generate all those profit. I just don't believe it. Okay, I check and I see how can these people, right? I have been trading for so many years. I even got so many trading gurus. I follow so many trading gurus, right? I paid for course and everything, right? So nobody can generate that type of profit, right? So so you see so many of them, right? They have a method to trick the system to believe that they actually can score that much of a profit, right? If anybody is achieving 300, 1,000% profit, right? In trading, right? Why do they want to do so much work to do copy trade lah, post all these things lah, register all these things, and want you to copy them, right? Okay, they should be in somewhere in the beach, having fun, okay, with their friend, right? Why do they want to do all these things, right? Want to do all these things copy trade, right? So I just don't understand. I just don't understand, right? Okay. For me, I'm doing all these things for free, right? So there's no charges for me. Okay, this is just my part-time work. I do this video because I want to first, okay, I want to improve my skill. I want to set a benchmark for myself, right? So every day I have this thing to do, or else, okay, I will get lazy, okay? Because every day wake up, 1 hour, I scan the chart, I got nothing else to do, okay? I got nothing else to do. That's it. Okay, so it's very boring, it's very tiring, and it's not good for the mind, it's not good for everything. Okay, so I do video, so I want to teach, okay, I want to give, and also this one, right, because when I do analysis with you guys, I also improving my own skill, okay, because when I do analysis with you guys, I do it very seriously. If I do it with myself, I might think, I just monitor 2-3 pairs, that's it. Okay, these are the pair that I want to play, 2-3 pairs, okay, forget about others. But when I'm doing all this with you guys, so I have to make sure that what I do is, it's very well studied, and very well researched. And I got this routine, right? Every time I want to do video with you guys, so I will analyze, okay, do a lot of homework, or else, you know, when you got nothing to do, right, you will starting to slow down, probably shut down, this kind of thing. So I don't want that to happen, okay. Therefore, copy trade, I don't think so. Any of you guys actually tried all the copy trade? I don't think so. I don't think they are sustainable. I see the way they trade. I dive in and see their result, right? Okay, there are something hidden. Okay, there are something hidden inside those trade. I'm not saying that all of them cannot be trusted. But you see all the big numbers, right? I don't see how they can those type of trading method, right, can be trusted. I don't see that, but you can try to do it. Because I hear even my friend call us, say, why don't you do copy trading, or let people copy? I said, my trading style is so easy, and I don't, and I only execute a few trades a week. Nobody want to copy me, right? Those copy traders, they want to execute 20 trades a day, because they think more trade is making money, more trade are better. In trading, I always tell you less is more. Less is more. Okay, just get your percentage, risk and reward, and a percentage of winning higher than 50%. That's it. Okay, you don't need to trade 20 trades a day to make money from the forex market, right? If you got enough big lot size, okay, let's say you put a few $100 lots per trade, okay, a $300 per trade, okay, your win rate is 1 to 2, right? It's 1 to 2, right? So if you lose 300. You win 600. Let's say you one day, right? You just managed to trade one pair, and you win $600, right? A day that is enough. Why do you want to trade 30 trade a day to make $600? Why do we want to be so difficult? Trade 330 trade a day, monitor until your eyes also blow up to get a $600 a day, right? I just trade a $300, execute a $300 high probability trade. Okay, high probability trade. Okay, I just see very good trade. Okay, the price hit the resistance. Okay, like this one. Okay, the price hit the weekly resistance, right? The price hit the weekly resistance on the downtrend, okay, and the bull bearish engulfing. So this is a no-brainer, right? You take this sell trade over here, okay. So you already make you trade 300, you already make 600 a day. Why do you want to execute 20 trade a day to make the 600, right? So you see those copy trade are trying to do that, okay, to pull you into a 20, 30 trade a day and show you, wow, look at that, 300, 600% profit. Well, this is my experience, okay. It's up to you to try. Just sharing my experience. I'll talk to you again next week. Do the homework, do the proper study, do your journal, do your homework, okay. Study the chart, okay. Like me, I study this whole morning, right? Whole morning I woke up, okay. I woke up from around 9 o'clock in the morning until now 2 o'clock, right? The last half an hour I'm doing this video with you. I've been studying the chart from morning until now, okay. After I finish my homework, I share this with you. Finish, no more. I will not look at chart anymore. I will clear my brain. I will do other things. Stay and enjoy time with family, because doing all this forex is supposed to give us time, not consume our time, right? If this is consume our time and we have to go for bet win and losses, not always win and sometimes losses, this kind of thing, right? Why don't we, if we consume the whole day of our life, right, why don't we just go do some work, okay? Guarantee income, right? You go do some work for somebody, let somebody take the risk, right? Okay, and let somebody take the risk and just go work half a day, come back, forget about job, just have time to relax. Why we want to stress ourselves one whole day, right? Executing 20 trade, right? I mean, this is just my take. If you like to do, a lot of people, they like to trade. Yeah, they are very happy to look at the chart and execute 20 trade a trade. Fine. It's fine with me. Okay, if you do that, it's fine with me, right? If you like it, okay, but I don't think, okay, maybe you're young, you're 20s, yes. If you're in the 40s, you're in the 50s, I don't think you want to look at the chart one whole day to execute trade, right? Okay. Let me see. Let me show you a few more trades that I made. Right. So a lot of this arrow I deleted because I don't want them to clock my view. Okay, clock my this analysis, right? So a pin bar, okay, no brainer, right? A pin bar is support, right? A pin bar towards this area, so profit, right? Okay. So how difficult, right? And why do I need to open like 20, 30 trade a day, right? So another pin bar over here, right? This one, I executed sell trade towards here, right? At this area, right? Or this area, or both also profit, right? So, you know, a lot of guys, a lot of people, a lot of traders, right? Like this one, right? Okay, this one executed to here, right? So, I mean, if you trade 500, okay, per trade, okay, and you won this trade, you already have $1,000. Why do you want to execute 50 trade to get $1,000? Yeah, yes. I mean, just for you guys to think about it, those copy trade, all those, a lot of people ask me to do copy trade. So I went in and checked. Wow, how can these people 300,000%? You know, why are they spending time on to go in, register copy trade, all these things? You know, and they charge you 30%. I'm sharing everything here for free. There's no charges, and they are charging you 30%. You know, so okay. I just don't know. Okay, I just feel that I see those trades are not legit. I don't feel those trades are legit. Okay, all these trades I show you every week. Okay, where I mark every week, where I mark. Okay, there is no lie, right? I mark. Okay, I mark every week. Winners and losers. Okay, I mark. Okay, these are the trades. These are winners. Even losers, you can see. Okay, these are winners. All right, winners. All I mark here. Okay, winners, 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 winners. Losers. Okay, these are losers, you see. Okay, so there's not always winner, right? There's not always all winners. Okay, winner. Some I deleted because I don't want to clock. I don't want to have too many things on my chart. I want to have a clear chart. Okay, so this one another winner. Okay, winner. Okay, gold winner. This one I don't think. This one loser. Okay, this one probably is a loser. This one is a winner. This one probably on the way to be a winner. Okay, this one, okay, winner, this one winner, this one loser, right? So we also have loser, right? So we don't always win, right? This one winner, this one winner. Okay. Okay, winner, winner. Okay, so don't make it too difficult. Okay, too difficult to trade and you know, expect you to copy somebody. You copy somebody, they don't show you what their method. So as long as the guy is ripping your money, okay, one day he reap enough money or his method doesn't work anymore, so people already found out his method doesn't work, he go to another broker and open another copy trade. Then you, okay, even if you win money, good. If you lose money, you never recover back. First, you lose money. Second, you learn nothing, right? Okay, so I'll talk to you again. Stay tuned. Okay, support the channel. Talk to you again soon. Probably next week. You got any trade? Thursday, Friday, I didn't manage to post anything because I'm doing some other some other things that is quite urgent. So I didn't manage to post. I'll try to post more starting next week. Okay, I'll talk to you again. Okay, do share this with your friend and like and share. Bye bye.